Hey there, does your iPhone shuts down even when the battery shows 20, 30 or even 50% left? Don't worry, let me show you how you can fix this. So the first thing first, you have to open up your settings, then battery. From the battery health, check your maximum capacity. So if it's below 80%, it can be your battery likely worn out and you may need a replacement. But this is not the actual solution. So you can try something else first. So just from your settings, go for general, then software update. So install any recent update is available because Apple often fixes battery glitches in new updates. So the next thing you can try to force restart your iPhone. So just press the volume up button, then volume down button quickly, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appears. So if it's still shutting down, here's a trick you can try by battery recalibration. So just let your iPhone fully drain until it powers off on its own. Then plug it in, charge it straight to 100% without interruption. This actually helps your phone recalibration and report battery life more accurately. So if your facing is still shutting down, you can also turn off your background app refresh. So you have to go to settings, then from general, you can find this background app refresh option. So turn up some app you don't use usually. And the one more thing, from settings, go for battery, and from this power mode, make sure low power mode is turned off because it can sometimes cause weird shutdowns. And lastly, if none of this work, maybe it's a hardware problem. So you should contact Apple support for your issue. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.